Meaning of fruition.
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 Fruition. Fruition refers to the point at which a plan or idea is fully realized or accomplished. It is the moment when something that has been planned or desired comes to fruition, or bears fruit. The term can be used in a variety of contexts, from achieving personal goals to the successful completion of a project. At its core, the concept of fruition embodies the satisfaction and sense of accomplishment that comes from seeing something come to life and flourish, whether it be a dream, a plan, or an idea.